really got it. Tailor suit, late trade, no sweat. Eyes on the chart, that candle set. They've been solid through the storms and the scares. Every year, same calm in the flesh. Top shelf plans, every tear, that's facts. Blueprint clean, every wrist contact. When I scale, it's a ladder, not a bed. Every rung got steel in the step. You want proof? Check the curve, not the talk. See the line stay smooth, while the rest just walk. Deep fun, deep roots in the ground. In a world full of shakes, they don't move when it's loud. Out for futures, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game, and it still storms. Out for futures, when the screens glow gold. Every live plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Out for futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Out for futures, yeah, that's where I'm so. Text so clean, feel the speed in the scroll. No lag, no drag, full control. Execution like a lock on a vault. Click once, tight spread, no fall. I seen markets turn savage in an hour. Watch weak funds fold, lose power. They just glide through the waves, never shake. Same name, same strength, no break. You want calm in the rush, in the race. You want time, you want room, you want space. Deep funds, deep roots in the ground. In the field full of noise, they don't mimic the crowd. Future, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game, and it's still stalled. Out for future, when the screens glow gold. Every life plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Out for future, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Out for future, yeah, that's where.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome to the happy hour, everybody. How's everybody doing today?
What's that word?
Sup? Who's ready to full port?
Ready to print.
I lied. I'm gonna save my full port to CPI.
Ready to fucking print. YouTube, what's going on, man? That's how you feel today, Izzy? We full port?
The shorts are looking good, though.
The shorts looking good. It's not even. They ain't even move.
Do you look? Do you see where it's at, right?
I do. And it's sad to say I see what you're saying. Are we fried?
What do you mean? Are we fried?
Like, do we just see shit before it happens?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me turn it.
Welcome to the Matrix.
Boom. Boom. Why you start so early, brother? This is the same time we start every single day. The hell is going on? Bro, you're literally here every happy hour. Danny, what the hell are you talking about?
we start early to give
like, oh, for real, bro.
Yeah, to give people time to join the stream, bro. What do you mean?
Your time. Oh, the time changed. I didn't even notice. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't even notice.
Wait, what?
Hola. ¿Cómo está?
I mean, the time changed. Yes, you're right. Oh my god. Hold on. Let me fix something.
Bien, 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 bien. See what we can do today. 773 to pass my lucid eval. You know what's so crazy? I'm 775 from passing these other TPTs. That's funny. So yeah, we both very close to passing. Very, very close to passing.
Thanks, you guys liked it? It's cute.
Also, the time change it's not for the world, it's only for America. So Europe time changes in 2 weeks.
I'm pretty sure it's different, yeah.
No, they're saying that it comes in
Just getting the ball rolling,
2 weeks.
PPL. Salute to y'all.
Hoodie 504, $4.99. Just get the ball rolling, people. Salute to y'all. We appreciate the tip. Hoodie 504, bro. We appreciate that, Brody. Tag, I'm doing good, bro. How you doing, bro? W hoodie for sure.
Wait, which one's my screen? This.
How was everybody's weekend?
Boy, I have a story to tell you.
Talk to me. What happened? I see you went outside.
Barely. I actually was in bed before midnight.
There you go, bro. Look like you ate some good food, though.
The girls went out, and I was just like, I'm gonna go home.
Where'd you guys go?
I don't know. It was like a new Mexican place. I'd never been there. That was the first time.
Was it good?
It was actually fire. Yeah, so I went out. They wanted to take me out because there was like a couple other girls that their birthday was in March. So we were like, all right. And then there was actually a fucking shooting, right? Like one street over from where we're at. And like 5 people got injured with like gunshot wounds.
No.
Like that shit was crazy. Yeah. So I'm over here, so like there's cops everywhere, and I'm like, bro, like I'm going home. Like I don't know what the hell's going on, but there's like cops everywhere, and I'm just like in traffic because they were like closed like all the streets because they were doing the investigation. And I'm like, nah. So
Yeah, that's a valid reason to go home for sure. I'm not gonna lie.
yeah. So I go home, right? And when I get home, I'm about to take my dogs out. Bro, why did this motherfucker?
I just got
the big
100K
one,
Apex, EOD, wealthy chart.
I opened
Typically
the door.
how may contract for many.
He literally runs like faster than I can fucking think. And he launches mid-yard, like 6 feet in the fucking air. And I'm like, what in the actual fuck are you doing, bro? And this is at night. So like, you guys always complain about like, oh, why you shock the dog? Now I shocked this motherfucker on 8. I'm like, I don't care what you're about to do. You're not about to clear that fence. My fence is 6 feet, and he was about to clear the fence, and I shocked him. And as I shocked him, he literally had grabbed something and on the floor with the thing. And I'm like, what the fuck do you have? And I literally shock him again. And my puppy's over there trying to get this thing too. And I shocked both of them. I recalling them. I was like, get inside the fucking house. And then they get inside the house. And I lock the door. And I'm like, what the hell is that? So I go outside. It's a fucking possum.
Oh my, yeah. Oh shit, he was probably trying to kill that shit. Hold on, really quick. $4.99 from Pram Saku to you. I just got 100K Apex end of day wealth chart. Typically, how many contracts for many? It all depends on how much you're willing to risk, bro. We appreciate the tip though. $4.99. That all depends on your. It all depends on your contract size. Are you asking like what's the most you can use or what you should use? Go ahead, Izzy.
Well, that was essentially it. So I get this fucking dog inside and they're like, his mouth is like this. He wants to get the thing. And I'm like, and I go outside because I don't know what it is. To me, it could be a cat, it could be anything. Because like I didn't see it because it was dark as hell. I go in the corner and it's a possum and it's like it's playing dead. I'm like, damn, my dog killed this fucking possum.
Oh yeah, they play
And
dead.
then I go inside and then I'm like, hold on. And I think like my dog is full of blood or something. Because he actually got the thing, right? So then, no, dog has no blood. And I'm like, so I go back outside. I was like, with the flashlight. And I was like, okay, there's no blood on the possum. So then I come back inside and then I'm looking. It was playing dead. It started moving around.
Yeah, that's like one of their tactics. I'm not gonna lie. You're brave as fuck for going back out there.
I didn't know what it was. And then it was stuck in my backyard. So I had to call animal control.
Yeah, for sure, because I'm not touching that motherfucker. I'm not touching that motherfucker. I did the dog. So the dog actually got to him?
No, because like the possum was actually on the fence. I thought it was a cat because it was on top of the fence. So when my dog launched, it grabbed it, and then they both fell because I shocked him. So he kind of like grabbed him instead of like them both launching outside. Bro,
That's insane work. That's insane work. I would have been very, very pissed off. I'm not gonna lie.
and then after like an hour or so of the possum going back and forth, and I'm over here like, bro, I still gotta take these fucking dogs out because they didn't potty. And the possum's just doing this in my backyard. I'm like, fuck. So after an hour, I go outside to go look. The possum like disappeared, and I'm like, oh, finally climbed out of the house. And I'm like, bruh.
I would have been pissed. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I would have been so fucking mad that shit is even in my yard. Even though I know it's like, hey, what can you do? But bro,
I would have been like, I was even more pissed. That what is it called?
Prime. It all depends on your stop loss. It all depends on your stop loss, Prime. That's how much you should. At least that's how I play it. Depending on my stop loss, depends on my contract size. My bad, Izzy, go ahead.
No, I was just saying, oh, I'm just thankful that he didn't actually clear the fence to grab the damn thing. And just to answer you, Jeff, that is his training. He's trained to attack. And when I recalled, he came.
Yeah, if like the dog would have actually got to that, you would have had to check the dog for rabies and all type of shit.
I actually found out on TikTok that possums don't care rabies because their body temperature is too cold for rabies to be virus to actually be infected or whatever carried on their So that's the fun fact that I found out of from TikTok.
Did you double check that with ChatGPT?
Yeah, I did. It's actually true.
All right, good. Yeah. That's good to know, but I'm still still think that motherfucker got
You
rabies.
still can get bit, like, but you can't get rabies, so I don't have to worry at least about that.
Oh, look at this gap down. Oh my goodness.
Where? Why don't I see it?
You don't see it because that gap down that far. That's why you don't see it. That bitch went. Yo. That shit got down, what, at least 200 points or 160 points. Damn. This shit is
Why don't
dumping.
I see it?
Damn, does this just fall?
Bro.
Went straight to hell. Exactly. That shit went straight to hell.
Bro.
Damn, do I full for shorts?
Bro, I'm not touching that.
Let me not DJing today. I'm around $700 from passing. Let me not DJing today, bro.
You literally would choose the worst fucking setup of your career to full port. Like,
Wouldn't be the first, wouldn't be the last. I'll be honest with you.
no, this would definitely be the worst.
Wouldn't be
You
the
have
first.
no clue what this shit is about to do.
But damn, it's down 70 points from when I was trying to jump in there.
Bro, why does it always do this? It's straight to my target. You know what? YM is actually in a very nice buy area. This was
This
actually
shit
my
went to
buy
the
area.
dirt. It went to the dirt.
Bro, what's life right now?
Everybody's printing good shit, bro. Good shit. Good shit. 786, good shit. 600, good shit. What do you think of turbo charts? I never used it, brother.
I did call the full port shorts. I should have just listened to myself, but I'm like,
100 points when I wanted to click the button. Damn.
yikes.
I should have just full ported.
I did say full port shorts, but I thought we were gonna have like a little bit of time, you know, before the shorts shorted.
Hell no, that shit gave zero time.
God damn. I am possibly interested in a buy to the gap though. That kind of looks, you know, like what is the worst that can happen?
These candles are pretty big. Definitely gonna be patient. I should have just clicked the button at 87 like I wanted, but fuck it.
I'm getting
Money
it
miss
as
is
soon as
not
we
money lost.
close. I'm getting it as soon as we close on 2325.
See what this shit does. This shit is a continuation, or we're just gonna pull back. Uh-oh. Thank you. Come again. 1,500 per account. Good shit. Everybody printing. Everybody's printing.
Actually, like maybe.
Careful. This is a 3-bar. And the short is still good. If this is a 3Z.
I like the buys.
Gotta be careful. Bro.
Yeah.
Most definitely gotta be careful here. This shit is falling, so we just want to make sure we have something solid. Like people is fucking printing though. Are you guys in the trade? No, I'm not. I'm not in the trade. I'm not in anything. Contemplating though. Contemplating. I definitely am contemplating. Contemplating, watching to see how. What is this? What's news for dump? I don't know. I don't know if this was news based, news driven, whatever the case may be. I have no clue, brother.
Oh yeah, definitely news driven.
I don't know what the new. Whoa, oh yeah, war.
War.
Definitely has a lot to do with war.
There we go. That's a nice reaction. I'm getting in.
Yeah,
If we,
I
right
tested
there.
that.
I'm in. I'm in. I'm
Yeah, I
in. I'm
tested
in.
that.
I'm in.
I tested that. I tested that. Currently up 300,
Bro,
400. Nice. Nice. Take some off the table because these markets are very, very wacky.
all the entry was, bro. Stop right here.
See if we can get the continuation to test the gap or at least to test 87, 85 really. See, put this here. Boom. Gonna have that take me out of a position at 85. We're rolling up 300 bucks with just 5 micros. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Bro, stop barking. Chill. It's nothing
The
to
Cuba
bark.
conflict, yeah. I don't know. I see the news. I see the news, but I don't really put too much on it. Excuse me. Gassy as hell. See if we can pull out these last 2 minutes. If not, it's definitely going to take me out with a small stop. What everybody, are y'all in long or the short? Yeah, where in longs it look like it's edging me. This candle can take the highs of 3 bar. I ain't gonna lie, we look fucking amazing.
It's definitely testing that area. But we have so many equal lows. I kind of almost wanted to see like one more like candle down and then up.
Now I get taken out, break even.
Oh shit. That candle was crazy. That's what I wanted to see actually for the buys. That's actually perfect.
Take out break even on that trade.
I'm in again.
Yeah, I might have to jump back in there.
Oh no. That took me out so fast. That's what I'm looking at. Oh fuck.
3 bands, good shit, bro. Good shit, bro. Good
Stop.
shit, y'all.
Go lay down.
Lucid pass with that little pump. Good shit, bro. $600 per account. Good shit. Everybody's fucking printing. I love to see it, bro. I love to see it.
Yo, these candles are wild as fuck.
We definitely do have some wild candles. Definitely some wild candles. I feel like I have to go short. I feel like I have to. Small stop. How big would this stop be? Fuck, I'm in there. Fuck it, we in that chat. See if we can take this.
You got in here?
Yeah,
I'm
completely.
not short. What?
See what this
My
shit can do.
necklace? What are you looking at?
Asia be volatile. I'll admit, Asia, it has its days where it shows the fuck out. I'll admit that. It has its days
does.
where it kind of just shows out. But it's not
I'm
always
still
as
thinking-
volatile as this. I'm
yeah,
pretty sure
I'm
there's a lot
still
of
thinking longs. I'm
board
not
driven shit.
shorting. I'm just marking whatever you said that you were at. Like that liquidity grab was like.
Do I let it ride back up? That's totally on you, brother.
Yeah.
Totally
I don't know.
on you.
What are you on so I can put it on the chart?
What do you mean, what am I?
Yeah.
Oh, like my
Like-
entry?
Yeah.
60. 60 is my entry, yeah. 260 is my entry. Looking for the continuation down. Hopefully this brand new 5-minute doesn't fuck me over. Purchased the P2P course over the weekend. I'm excited to learn and join the pre-market group. Honestly, should have purchased this 7 months ago, but living you learn, not trading right now, just watching Asia kick my ass too many times before. Yeah, bro, you gotta know your sessions, bro. If you're comfortable trading Asia, trade Asia. If you're not comfortable, then sit out. That's a big part of learning how to trade. It's a big part of learning how to trade is knowing when to trade. Asia doesn't work for you, Asia doesn't work for you. We do have our TA meetings today as well. See if we can write this down. Cause my question is because I don't want to blow my consistency, but I'm in a short up 5,500 now. Oh, so you're trying to lose money? Oh, then you just gotta lose money, bro. Open up a big lot size. Like what I do is like I'll go on gold for like 15 minutes, minis in, and you should automatically just be in drawdown. You just close the trade. Took me out, break even. Took me out, break even on that trade, guys. I went break even super quick because these candlesticks are very, very volatile. I figured if we're gonna go, we're gonna fucking go. Seven micros for about 220 points. Just slapped the new evals and passed the one trade. Good shit, y'all. Good shit, bro. They're looking at either P2P or Easy Course. Can you help me decide if I only trade New York PM says which week? It's all depending on you, brother. Izzy has a fucking killer course. You can check Izzy's course out, no problem. Izzy's obviously printing. So that'll be totally on you. Check out Izzy's course. Izzy's high and low model is a fucking killer course. Depending on this next candle, I think I might want to test that.
I'm just setting some stuff up here. With my copier, I have to switch accounts.
15-minute. Dylan, no, I got taken out break even, bro. I got taken out break even on my short. Got taken out break even on my short. So I'm not in anything right now.
I still left the longs. I'm just doing one thing real quick. Setting my copier again. Because where is it? Connected copy.
Get into the buzz. I ain't on that right now. It says I'm 7K away from drawdown. It's elusive 50K funded. You're 7,000 away from drawdown? What do you mean by that, bro? What do you mean by that you're 7,000 away from drawdown? Takes these highs is very, very interesting.
I'm sure it is.
This weekend I was in Miami trying to handle some business down there. And then
Business. What's her name?
just trying to handle like apartment shit. Trying to make sure I have everything situated with that. Pretty much all I was doing. Shit is fucking ripping.
Yep. I am about to test the lungs
Good.
again.
You know, I'm just seeing how this next candle prints, and I will be in there like swimwear. Down, coach, you coming down? Try to, yeah. In there.
Yep.
When it's super light in case of the fuckery, I can add to my position, no problem. I can add to my position, no problemo. Is that really how you say problems in Spanish? Problemo?
Problema with the A.
Problema. Wait, I thought I was for the women and O was for the dudes. I'm a dude. So I'm not supposed to say problemo?
That's not a verb.
Oh, it's a general word. Oh, okay. See, I'm learning, bro. Izzy, you ain't been teaching me shit.
You say I'm not teaching you shit. I barely know.
Tengo un problema. I bet. Y'all gotta remember, bro. I'm just in Spanish 1, bro. Y'all still gotta teach me some shit.
I haven't.
Español uno español.
I haven't fucking spoke Spanish in forever.
Two uno. Y'all are fried, bro. See if we can rip back over, take these highs and still holding this gap. Come to Hawaii and learn some Hawaiian, bro. I don't need to learn Hawaiian, bro. I'm in Florida. There's nothing but Spanish people down here. I need to learn Spanish, bro. I know, what's a Hawaiian word? Honolulu? Aloha. There we go.
Aloha.
Oh, Honolulu is a place? Oh, shit. Hey, man. They didn't teach us Hawaiian in school, bro. Oh, Hana means family. Yeah. How did that trade, guys? I'm still up $111. I don't know how I'm up 111 on 2 accounts and 136 on the other if I copy traded them. But hey,
Whippage and shit.
looks like this shit is about to go to fucking dump town. I'm not gonna lie. It needs to hold this gap just like it's doing now.
Shit is insane. Like, I need to widen my stops. Like, this is insane. Because I'm pretty sure it still looks like it wants to go up. Yep. Like, now. Okay. Yep. Stops need, like, god damn, the stops need to be so fucking wide.
What, the stop loss?
Definitely minis. Yeah, like small stops are not like respecting structure. Like you need It's just how it is right now because of the volatility.
That shit looks like it wants to fucking dump. Calling it a week here, 665. Good shit, bro. Good shit, Brody. Good shit. Need to see something that makes sense. Right now, it's kind of just very, very volatile. Very,
Because
very
I
volatile.
see the gap, but like the stops have to be very wide.
Very, very volatile. ES looks like it's dumping a little bit. Yeah, PA is a little unhinged right now. Can't lie.
A little.
PA is definitely a little unhinged right now. For sure.
This is the widest fucking gap I've ever seen. That 1 minute gap looks better on the minis than it is, sorry, on the micros than it is on the minis.
The one that is in right now?
Yeah. On the minis, that gap doesn't look like shit. It's like a tiny ass gap. I should have
Yeah,
full
it's
quarter shorts.
crazy.
What the fuck was I thinking? Why didn't I full port shorts? Man.
Yeah, I should have pulled full quarter from 387. That was the move.
Bruh.
That was the fucking move.
I might test these longs one more fucking time and call it a day.
We trading YM or what, brother? It's on the chart, brother.
One more time. One time for the one time. I want us to trade to the gap. I think it's a solid play.
Oh, you're saying
It's
like
just-
on some sarcastic shit. Go ahead, Izzy, my fault.
Me?
No, not you. I'm talking about the dude in the comments.
Oh,
What you were saying though?
that the fair value gap is being respected. I was gonna try one more time for longs because I do want us to trade to the gap. I think is a solid play. I think it was just like still dumping and doing its thing.
Doing the fuckery.
Yeah. But that gap just got respected. So I'm like, okay, that's the first fair value gap that actually got respected, like a bullish one. So
Yeah. It should definitely help. We gotta rip these highs.
I think it's a solid play.
Yeah, these highs is free to like 387, which is damn near 100 points away. High key, good shit, bro. 4,500 per account. Good shit, brother. Good shit.
There we go. Bro, it usually makes me fucking sick, bro. Like whenever we have unhinged days like this. Cause at least with 9:30, I'm like, all right, let's wait until like 9:45, 9:50, you know? And then like with Asia's, like you don't know. You could be waiting till like 8 p.m. for the move to actually happen.
That's a fact. That's a fact. Doesn't look like it's curling though.
It does look like it's trying to go.
Yeah, it looks like it's curling. Um, Definitely looks like it's curling. See if it respects this gap here for us to
Yeah.
continue up. It need to give me my $2.50 back is what it needed. Bro,
My
$2.50, you're break even. Chill, bro. Don't do nothing crazy, Gabe. Don't do nothing crazy, Gabe.
$2.50.
$2.50 is wicked work, bro.
Motherfucker blows that account because of $2. And then
Oh,
he
I bet.
spend another, and then he spend another $100 to get the 250 back.
Right. The $2.50 that's not even yours.
You guys want to know something? Back when I used to trade CFD firms, I had a $10,000 payout coming. But back then you had to wait for like certain days. Like payouts were every like 30 days or something like that, or every 14 days. I don't fucking know. And like you didn't need to trade, but you had to wait for like the payout. Bro, I literally got sick because I got out of the move too soon. And then in my head, I was like, bro, I could have made 50 racks had I hold the trade. And I didn't, right? So I had that in my head. So there was CPI, and that was I think like on a Wednesday, and there was CPI on like either that Thursday or Friday, whatever it was, or one of the news. Bruh, when I tell you, and on CFD you can lose 5%. So out of the 10,000, I can lose $5,000, right? And per day, because they have like a per day, but if you blow your per day limit, you blow the account. It's not like futures that if you blow your per day, you still get to trade the next day. Like, nah, the account's gone. And I had my stops, right? And I tilted really bad because I started getting nervous. I literally lost that trade for like $5,005.
Man.
Or something like that. It was like on the dollar amount, bro. And the account was blown, the payout was blown. I literally messaged support and they felt so bad for me, they actually gave me a free challenge.
That's love, because normally they don't give a fuck about none of that shit.
I don't even know if it was even $5. I think it was like cents, bro. I think it was like something so stupid. Like it was something so fucking stupid. It was like cents, if anything, like that they were like, "No, there's nothing we can do," and I was like, "Bruh."
Coach, how do you trade your drawdown on TPT Pro account? Same way I trade every single time. Structure, and when it hits my TPs, I break even in the trailing structure. Always trailing structure. My stops always going structure. Take these highs, bitch. $458 on the PAs. Good shit, Lavo.
Hell
Good
yeah.
shit, bro. That's good money right there. That's very good money right there. As much as I wanted to trade the gap, I'm gonna take my chunk change because I'm getting the urge to trade some more. It's my cue to leave. That's what you call discipline, bro. That's what you call discipline. That's what you call trusting the process. You living up to your name, my boy. Boy is living up to his name. That's what you call trusting the process.
Yeah, especially if you make money with this. This was fucking wild. Jesus,
Yeah.
I need to work on my fucking accent.
This would probably be my last trade. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yeah, this 100% is my last trade, bro. I'm just
380.
trading these evals. I'm not even touching my pro accounts, bro. Not even not even
That's
for a
dead.
second.
That's dead for sure.
With this PA, I don't even know if I want to touch them this week. Like that, this is fucking insane. This was literally the whole target I talked to my students this afternoon because we do like Sunday resets. I had all this shit mapped out. Even for YM. Where is it at? No, I marked this one. I was like, we're going to hit right here at 0.25. The gap was nearly almost there.
TBT, what's always worked for me is trading micros no more than 3 with the 50-point stop loss and 100-point TP. Use the risk management settings on Tradeovate and set daily loss to 400 to guarantee yourself a full week of trading and to make sure you're not revenge trading. That works for you, bro? Do what works for you. That's the thing about trading. You don't have to do what everybody else is doing. And I see TPT has a manual lockout button now. Do y'all see that?
I didn't.
Or Tradeovate, I should say, not TPT. Tradeovate has a manual lockout button.
Tradeovate.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. Manual lockout. Tradeovate has a manual lockout button.
I'm logging into it right now.
You don't see it? Maybe refresh your screen. As soon as I jumped on, bro, you can't miss it. It's like highlighted in orange and all type of shit. So it's like right where it shows like your account in the top. That's where you'll see the manual lockout. That's where you'll see the manual lockout.
I don't see it.
Oh, I don't know. It's showing on mine. They did some updates. Mine has it. I see it. Okay, yeah, I know I'm not tripping. I know I'm not tripping. It should be on only certain props tab. Okay, so it is TPT. So it is
TPT because I logged into Apex and it wasn't there, and then now I'm looking at it and I see it on TPT.
Okay, so it's TPT for sure. Well, that's cool that TPT actually has it. Not gonna lie, that's pretty lit.
That is pretty lit.
It's on Lucid also, Tradeify too. Okay, good shit. So it's just Apex doesn't have it.
Of course,
Seems like everybody's at
of course,
Apex.
the one prop that I would log in at first, they wouldn't have it.
It's only probably I partner with Trader Bait Prop because I have it. Nah, Apex doesn't have it. Apex is partnered with Trader Bait too. So it's certain props. It seems like everybody has it but Apex.
No, yeah, trade of a prop. Okay, that makes sense.
Apex says you're gonna take another trade and blow your account. Surprised all the props are doing it, but it seems like nobody's trying to get. Everybody's trying to
Oh, they gotta compete. Ever since Project
gotta
X
compete,
came out. And you know what is the wildest part? Because people see that we had that feature on Project X, and they still didn't use that shit. It's all psychological, bro.
literally.
When I asked people like, why didn't you use the lockout feature? Well, see, I'm like, no, I don't see. Tell me why do you not want to put a set a manual lockout for the day on block and liquidate if you reach your max loss for the day? Well, I don't have a max loss for the day. Well, see, that is why you blew your account.
Yeah, if you don't have the discipline by yourself to walk away or switch accounts or whatever the case may be, then you need to be using that manual lockout. I'm not gonna lie, because it's gonna keep you from doing stupid shit.
But the fact that you don't even have the willpower to click that or set that up, that is like beyond my fucking imagination right now. Like I generally don't understand.
Yeah, Andrew, it's for from my understanding, everybody but Apex has it. From my understanding, that's what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like. That's what got me off a long-term tilt due to my lack of discipline. Yeah, that's bro. It's a good tool, bro. It's a good tool to use. When I first started trading, there was no tool that manually locked you out, so I had to build it. But now, the fact that it's there for people that don't have the discipline to literally just stop trading on their own, bro, it's perfect. I'm not gonna lie, it's perfect. If you can't hold you accountable, the system will. And now you can't trade unless you go and buy another account and choose to do that. Which is still a good option to have. Like, that's what I always say, bro. Instead of putting more strain on an account, switch accounts. If you really want to trade that bad, get yourself another account. What's your go-to song? I mean, I don't know, bro. That changes like every week, bro. I love music. I love good music. One and done, use it till you don't need to anymore. It forces a good habit. Right. Who was that? Pooter? Yeah, right. But still, the fact that the manual lockout button is there, if you can't one and done, at least you're holding yourself accountable to your loss, knowing what you're willing to lose per trade. You from Tennessee? Nah, I'm just talking like that because it's funny, bro. I mean, I'm from Florida, bro.
What's up? You want to trade too? What do you want to do? Do you want to go long or do you want to go short? Or do you just want the possum? Fuck the market. Yeah, you just want the possum. I knew it.
At least you know your dog's gonna protect. You say you trained your dog to attack?
Yeah, he does bite work.
Yeah, as a woman, bro, you got to, bro. I feel like you got to. I mean, everybody should, but especially as like a woman, it's like the best, one of the best alarm systems you can have. And they'll bite a motherfucker for you.
He just gets confused. He's like, the possum looks like a threat and looks like fun to kill. Like, yeah, it does, doesn't it? Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh no! Now they all woke up. They were all asleep.
Trust me, that bitch works. I've been having it for a couple weeks. It locks you the fuck out. Yeah, no, I know it works. Yeah, for sure, Rob. I know it works.
It locks
Oh,
you
that
the
boy
fuck
changed his
out.
name. That boy was RJ last week. Okay, there we go. Can we get up on paso, please? Por favor. Still in this long holding.
Here. We can start with the court gate. Okay. Good job. How about you? Do you want to trade? Ow. What do you think? Think we're buying or selling? Or do you just want food? You just want food.
Reach out to one another and support each other. I want to publicly thank JB Trades for helping me with some shit I've been dealing with. This team and community is amazing. Hell yeah, yeah. Another max payout. Good shit, Brody. 4 max payouts. Good shit.
Hell yeah. Baby, what entry do you want?
If they need it, they probably won't even use it. I mean, that's not true. Because some people, they literally, it helps them. And I'm pretty sure anybody that would use it will see the benefit in using a manual lockout. Some people actually need it and they need to use it because trying to step away from the charts after a loss is not easy, especially in the beginning. Especially in the beginning, like in your beginning journey of trading, that's like one of the hardest things to do is just sit there and look at minus 200.
Minus 200.
First started trading, bro, I couldn't even, if I seen minus 50, I had to get that back. Now I look at minus 50 as break even.
See, back in the day, I feel so old, bro. It's like, I guess from somebody who started with the like live funds, all of this is just like a big fucking simulation that gives me no fucking feelings. It's like, try putting $1,000 in a fucking live account and see how much you fold.
Yeah, I feel you. I mean, I put 500 in an account before and I was sweating.
That's
And they're
what I'm
flipping it though.
saying.
And they're blowing it too. I flipped it and
That's
they're blowing
exactly
it.
what happens. So,
Yeah.
but when I first started trading, like the people that taught me how to trade, and I blame them for this, like they taught me how to trade like mainly with holding like drawdown and moving my stop loss. So they taught me the wrong way of like everything wrong about managing a trade, bro. And then one of my mentors from back in the day, he didn't use a stop loss. So I actually didn't use a stop loss for a long time. So we went from like having the stop to moving the stop, holding the trading drawdown, to not having a stop loss anymore. So I did all the bad habits, and for me to like take the bad habits away from my trades, bro. Oh my god. And then I learned all the retail trades. So like none of the strategies that I tried for a whole year worked. only after a year and some change I found out about ICT. So like I feel like I went through all of this fucking bullshit that like traders don't go through nowadays. Which is amazing, but like you guys don't know the struggle that it was back in the day, bro. Like when I very first started, like this shit was so fucking. This shit was 10 times harder than it is right now.
Hell yeah. Forex was a motherfucker. For me at least. That shit was a motherfucker.
Yeah, that too. That shit was low as shit.
Up 178 on one account and 153 on the other. Why? Like, how is that even? I copy traded them. How did that happen? I got taken out of that trade.
How?
I was gonna take my profits into New York. 178, 153.
How did you do that?
I
You said
don't.
you're trailing, or
Oh, you talking about how I get taken out?
yeah.
Oh, once we took the highs, I paid myself and went break even.
Oh.
Well, no, I didn't trail too tight. I had a target, and it hit it. Once I hit my target, I go break even.
Yeah, he's just following his plans. Just Asia is a fucking bitch when it comes to that.
I'm saying that too.
Quite
So
honest.
you it's all true. 668 for now. Might take one trade during New York. 668 is good, bro. That's good profit. You made some good profits.
I'm not gonna lie, this shit is making me want to fucking get my money and leave. Cause like, what the fuck is this candle?
Crazy good for the day, right? Yup. Shit is good, bro.
Oh, I mean, it doesn't look too terrible. No, it doesn't look that great either. I don't know. Asia has no soul. It barely has fucking price action. Never mind a fucking soul.
Price action is crazy today. Crazy price action. Crazy price action. That's why I'm gonna just take my profits into New York. I am not tripping.
I'm stealing it.
Paper for a month, up 37,000 in 3 weeks, lost it in 17,000 in one trade. In my first month trading futures, when I closed out, it ran with my direction 187 points, quit for 3 years. Damn.
I'm up abandoning 5 accounts. Should I close it? I'm not gonna close it. Should I close it? Oh, I have my little devil and my little angel like arguing in my head right now.
It looks like it wants to go. I'm not gonna lie. I like how that 5 minute looks. Like how that 5 minutes about to close.
I'm not taking it.
I just had a target, and this price action is so shitty. I had to go. I had to break even and pay myself. It was only right.
Let me do my evil Kermit. All right.
Right. The long still look good. The long still look good.
We're not closing it.
Yeah, I bet it did hurt. I bet it did hurt for sure.
Ugh. I feel like it keeps wanting to reject this gap and go lower. I don't know. No. Stop. You both stop. Quit this shit. You stop being loud. You want to be on my lap? You're not gonna bark in my ear, bro.
We do have our TA meetings tonight, and people who want to come up.
Yeah, let's start doing the TA meetings.
These are funded, so I'm locking out. Good shit, bro. 800 per
Hell
funded.
yeah.
That's good money right there. That's good fucking money. Good fucking money. There's no reason to keep trading. None.
You're
Catch you all later for sure, Brody. I have an issue averaging in. What do you mean, like scaling into a trade?
I have a simple solution. Don't.
Yeah. If that's an issue for you, don't do it. Like it's an issue for me. I can't scale in, but I can DCA. Izzy knows how to scale in perfectly. I don't. So I don't scale in. I probably could count on one hand how many times I've scaled in future.
But when you say DCA, do you mean like you have one position open and you will open a second one still and draw down?
Yeah, so I added to my position and drawdown. Yeah, that's what DCA means.
Right. I just wanted to make sure that you weren't just saying like, oh no, you just what is it called? Get taken out and then get back in again. I was like,
Oh no, like if I'm in a trade, like I actually like to. Like if I'm in a trade, I'll go light depending on the setup. I know when to do it.
yeah,
But
yeah. Because I didn't know if because your stop losses are pretty tight. That's why I'm kind of like, what do you mean you DCA? Because I'm like, your stop losses are so tight.
well, it depends because not always do I get a good entry. So like if I see my criteria and I enter the trade and I know that it can possibly, still come down and have an area that I know it can possibly test again. When it gets to that area, I'll add to my position in drawdown.
Elijah, I'm going to tell you this. I don't know math. You should ask the ChatGPT that because I don't fucking know.
I took a trade and went down like 700, but then came back to minus 450 in a few seconds. Then it went green, finished 500 plus. Now you think if Elijah, if you're on the new Apexes, there is no MAE. So you shouldn't have anything to worry about.
But if you're trying to calculate the MAE, I'm the last person that will do that.
Yeah, Izzy, what Izzy say? Izzy says she can't math. Nah, I'm on the old one.
It depends how much profits you have
too.
too. You have to like, it's not just a per day thing, it's a cumulative. So you need to know like your actual like overall math. Dead ass ChatGPT.
Yeah, I've never broken the MAE rule. All my Apexes, not all of them, but when I trade them, I just trade them. I don't even think about the rules, and I've never broken the Apex rule. So I don't even know too much about the MAE rule. I'll be honest with you. Don't let me get the line. What time do you guys go live normally? Sunday through Thursday, 6 p.m. Eastern. Sunday through Thursday, 6 p.m. Eastern. It's like 7 o'clock is picking this direction.
Good thing I held it.
Took highs on both. Yeah, this shit should rip. Signal just fired off as well on P2P.
Oh, it did? Should I add to my position? Oh.
P2P signal just fired off. Can you DCA with Apex? Yeah.
With the new ones, you can. There is a rule about DCAing with Apex, though. You gotta be careful.
I think that's on the PA accounts, right?
Yeah, because there's no. It's the Wild West on the non-PA accounts.
Yeah, because on my evals,
Evals have no rules.
yeah, I was about to say on evals I DCA all the time, but on PAs I know that there's a rule against DCAing on the PAs. So
You
I tend to
can,
find-
but it's like it's a weird rule. Like I don't know how to like.
well, on the new ones I know you can do what you want on the new
Yeah,
ones.
the new ones you can just do what the fuck you
Yeah.
want.
Well, that's why I'm only buying the new ones. I would never buy the old ones. I like to trade like how I like to trade.
No, the 5-1 risk ratio is also gone on the new ones.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
That's why I'm
sorry.
only gonna buy
I
the
thought
new
you were talking. I thought you were talking about the DCAs too.
Oh, no, yeah. Well, that's included too. That's included too.
Yeah, everything is just fucking gone, bro.
Yeah. Site calls, TA meetings, site calls, man. Does anybody want to come up?
Oh.
State your name, state your issue. Shut your ass up. Let us embrace you.
Pedro said the coach is looking fine as fuck.
That gotta be Pedro's girl typing, bro. Gotta be.
I don't think so.
Gotta be, bro. Haha, yeah, right. So wait a minute, hold on. How does my voice sound on this mic?
Better than Lama's. That shit was like cutting off all the time.
No, because y'all like my voice a lot on Lama's mic.
It was a little bit crispy, but like it was cutting off so bad though.
Oh, you couldn't even enjoy it for real.
Yeah.
What about this camera? Am I in 4K?
No.
I ain't gonna lie, Izzy, bro. You never hold it down, bro. You never hold it down, man. You supposed to be like, come on, bro. I'm telling you, it'll be your own people. 720p. Okay, all right. Let's relax, guys. I think we're getting a little too carried away here. All right. Gotta buy the best camera. Nah, 100%. Yeah, I'm buying Llama's camera. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I was looking too crispy in that shit. I'm buying that bitch. Coach on 4K is better than 720. Yeah, I mean I would think so, bro. 4K is better than 720 game. I would think so. Are y'all on the 30-second time? Why is my YouTube doing this? Is y'all on the 30-second time frame? No. From what I see on YouTube, this is on the 1 minute time frame.
Yeah.
Have 5 Apex and 5 Alpha, and I'm down to 3 Apex and 1 Alpha. Managed to cash out a little bit though. Take the good out the bad and run with it, Brody. Take the good out the bad and run with it.
Oh.
Where y'all from, Izzy and Coach? I'm from Florida.
I'm from Virginia.
Damn, Izzy, you came in Virginia? You came in Virginia?
I said, I live in Virginia. I'm not from here. I was about to say that. Jesus, you didn't give me time.
Right, you ain't holding me down. I ain't holding your ass down. Izzy is from West Virginia, guys.
Ew.
What part of Virginia you in?
Crazy. I'm not telling you.
You're not telling me?
I'm not telling you on stream. I'll tell you.
Oh, right. You know, them boys gonna be lurking.
Yeah. Hell no.
Can you guys hear me?
We
Yeah.
hear you, but we can't see you.
Oh my god. Hi guys. How are you guys?
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
Good. How are you guys? I'm good. Thank you for letting me come on here.
We appreciate you for coming up. Talk to me. State your name, state your issue. Let's embrace you.
I'm Kayla. Nice to meet you guys. I started trading back in October. It's been a couple months. My problem is I haven't been able to stick to a strategy, so that's my only problem that I have with trading.
What's up, Caleb?
What do you guys recommend? Go
You
ahead.
going, Izzy?
I'm sorry.
I said you can start.
So you have a problem sticking to a strategy? So like you're strategy hopping? Or you have a strategy and you're just not sticking to it?
No, I am basically strategy hopping right now.
So the thing about strategy hopping is you're gonna always be looking for something. Because this person says look for this. This person says look for this. This person says don't look for this. But this person says look for the shit that the other person says don't look for. So you're pretty much like you're confusing yourself. First, you have to figure out what type of trader you are. Are you an intraday trader? Are you a scalper? Once you nail it down to that, now you can focus on the strategy. Because when you stick to one strategy, you're pretty much, you have a plan. When you're strategy hopping, you don't really have a plan. You're pretty much just looking, you're just going to be looking for everything, and everything's going to seem like a setup. If you have one strategy that you know, one strategy that you took the time to learn, you will know what trades you should be in. That'll keep you from jumping in trades that you don't need to be into. When trades are just going and flowing, anything outside of your trading plan, you're not going to jump in those trades because you're looking for a specific setup. You're looking for certain things to align. Without those things aligning, you're not going to get in the trade. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
When you strategy hop, you're looking for everything at that point. You're probably looking up intraday strategies for scalping without even knowing. You're probably looking at this and this and this and this, and it can get confusing. I used to strategy hop all the time when I first started trading. All it did was kind of hold me back because now you never know what to really look for, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah.
So yeah, try to just stick to a strategy. Figure out what type of trader you are first. What type of trader do you think you are? Are you a scalper or are you intraday?
Right now I would say scalper.
You're a scalper?
Yeah.
So we have some of the best scalpers in the game in this Discord. So lock in with the scalpers and actually lock in on a strategy so that way you can stick to that one strategy and you know exactly what to look for. Because scalping is very, very aggressive, very, very,
Yeah.
you
You're
gotta
gonna
be on
make
point.
decisions fast.
Yeah, you got to make decisions pretty fast. So if you're trying to make decisions on multiple strategies, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to be consistent that way. So find a strategy and stick to it, so that way the decisions that you're making are decisions based off of one trading plan. It's gonna keep you from opening more risk on the chart. It's gonna keep you from over trading. It's gonna keep you from FOMO, all of that, because anything outside of your trading plan is not your trade. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah. Gosh,
You got
thank
anything
you
for
guys.
Izzy?
Thank you.
Nope. Out. You said it all out.
So
Bro.
for sure, Caleb. We'll talk soon, all right?
Thank you. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I was like, yep, no, you got it. You can tell her how bad strategy hopping is. I'm like, nah.
Yeah, bro, that shit has literally probably made my trading journey a lot longer than it needed to be.
Same. But to be quite honest, I also didn't identify with none of the strategies I learned. There's also that.
Right. Because I tried to be the best scalper I could be before I realized that, bro, I am not a fucking scalper.
Exactly.
Once I found out, realized that I'm intraday, it started to be a little bit more peaceful.
I mean, I'm a big advocate that you can do it all, kind of. Because there are days that we scalp. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just understanding the difference between when to hold and when not to hold.
Exactly.
Because like I feel like sometimes when you're trading pre-market, you know that's not gonna be like an intraday move. And I was telling my students that earlier today. I'm like, because one of my students was like, "Oh, do you just buy below that level, or do you also sell for continuation?" I was like, "I'm not a continuation trader. I'm not doing that." You know?
Yeah, I'm a reversal trader.
Yeah. But I'm like, and you trying to be a continuation and reversal trader is just going to confuse the fuck out of you. That's what I've realized. I cannot do continuations.
But that's the thing, you know your groove. You know exactly what works for you. Who else wants to
Exactly.
come up? I think I seen somebody else. Hold on. Let me see. I would say Coach on the Best Buy camera. Fuck you. I know, bro. You get about maybe
Best
two
Best
more of
Buy
those.
camera is
You get
crazy.
maybe about two more of those. Almost. No, bro. That was funny, game. Fuck you.
Oh man, I'm dead. I knew this was gonna go down. And I was like, I don't even know.
Yeah, that's why I was really aggressive with my partials
I
and my.
know.
Holy shit.
The evil permit did not win today.
Hello, my name is Jug, and I'm addicted to hash and Call of Duty. What up, bro? You can hear me?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro. What's that word? State your name, state your issue. Let us embrace your game.
My name's Sean. My issue is I just started getting funded accounts like passing evals and stuff like really easily. But then every time I pass it and then I'll get my cushion in and it just blows. I go on tilt. And I know what I should be doing. I should be walking away when I'm profitable and then not over trading. But it is what it is.
You going, Izzy?
Yeah, I'll start.
Your silence is deafening.
So, because I have this thing that like, when people jump in here and they are confused, is one thing. When you jump in here and you tell me exactly what is wrong, and you know what's wrong, it's like I feel like you know the answer and you just don't want to do it.
Pretty much when it comes down to it, and then I lose my account, I'm just like, fuck. I know exactly what I did wrong. I should have just walked away. But
Well,
you guys gave me the opportunity to come up. I ain't never been on stage
Yeah.
before. I was like, hell yeah.
Oh, you're welcome. Welcome to the stage. So because it's obviously not a technical issue anymore, right? It's just a psychology issue.
Yeah, like
So
right
it
now,
comes down. Mhm.
I'm looking at the charts and I'm starting to see possibly a low or a higher low, and I want to jump in, but I'm not going to. But man, it's like not taking that hit of weed when I really want to take that hit of weed.
Yeah,
Kind of.
it's the dopamine. So like, right, is the dopamine is our system regulation. Like we need to start regulating our emotions, right? And
Right.
the way that we do that is by slowing things down. So like one thing that helped me a lot and was to journal. Like, do you journal at all?
Kind of, not really. I go over. I don't write it down myself. but I do go over my trades that are recorded on the Trade of 8 and the TPT.
Right.
And it's like,
So
I found that I tend to blow my accounts more like right away at the open, and then I'll trade my evals, I don't know, 20 minutes after when it slows down and do really well. So I was gonna start not trading the open and just watching it happen and then waiting for my range to happen. I don't know. What do you think about that?
So, with that being said, yes, if you see that like you cannot handle the open, like even if it's emotional, if it's technical, whatever it is, right? That is one of the problems. So that's why we journal to understand where we can change and fix certain things. So what's
Sure.
more than likely happening is that like you get to the open, you get kind of confused, your anxiety goes high. Now you're already on fight or flight, and then you finally get the direction right sometimes, right? And then
Yeah.
you just tilt.
Yeah,
Because like,
exactly.
okay, now no profit is good profit because like, oh, I was down from the stupid trade that I took. Now I'm up, but I'm not as up as I should be because I took a loss, right? So your brain is already like going into like this fight or flight response. So
Yeah.
when I say journal, I generally mean journaling your emotions. Not fuck the trade, actually. Like generally, like
So, guys want to say hi to my wife? She's peeking around the corner like, what are you doing?
yeah,
Yeah, come on in, honey.
Oh, that boy's rope.
Howdy.
hi.
She
How you
likes
doing?
that. Say hi.
Yeah, I don't know what to say.
There we go. We're just going over why I blow so many. Like that.
He just got him roped.
Yeah, what do you do? Well,
Guys, it's just for the show.
it's Asia market. Or not Asia. Is it Asia? Yeah, it's Asia.
Asia
Yeah,
session,
Asia.
yes.
Asia
Yeah,
session.
we're trading Asia, buddy.
This is like the second time I've traded the Asian session with you guys too. So it's like, it's nice. It's slow. I can kind of see what's going on.
Yeah, it's a lot different than the New York Open.
Sure it is.
Yeah.
But
But
yeah,
yeah, the whole point of the journaling that I was talking about, it's to help you slow down and see where you're at, right? So one thing that I started doing, like, and it doesn't have to be like pages and pages. It can be literally just be like right before you get on a trade, you're like, these are the confluences that I'm seeing, and this is the reason why I'm getting in. And you can just type it like on a Word document or something.
Sure.
And then as soon as you get on a trade, like do the same thing. So, you know, it can be like, I don't think I should have gone to this trade because X, Y, and Z. And then you stop to think, no, let me go back. Or I got in this trade and I feel very good about it because X, Y, and Z. So like you gotta see if your emotions are in tune with what you're seeing and how you're feeling. And then, you know, let's just say your stop loss gets hit. Then you kind of like, same thing. Right now I'm feeling frustrated because I fucked up. I got in too soon. I fumbled into the trade.
okay.
You know, I think like whenever we express how we're feeling instead of stewing in our head, it helps us clear our mind and slow down and actually think properly.
Get it out on
And
paper.
yeah. And like I said, it can go in a Word document. You can just type like a simple phrase. It's just like literally just so you can help yourself slow down and really think about what you're feeling and what you're doing. Because I feel like with anxiety, right? Because that's what tilt is. Like it's uncertainty, it's anxiety, like because if it brings the fight or flight response. And
Yeah.
everything that we think is worse in our head than it is when we say it out loud or when we actually write it down. And once we're actually able to like process that, which is like just through like either talking to somebody or like typing, it helps on that aspect of like processing that emotion before it escalates to a tilt.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try that. That's really good. Usually I'm just like, I go on tilt. I mean, I get the emotions out. Like when my kids want something, I'm like, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck away from me.
Yeah.
Oh, your
And
fault.
that is
I
the
was
list.
distracted.
Yeah. And I mean, I'm the same way with sometimes. They'd be like fucking wilding. And I'm like, bro, if you don't sit the fuck down.
Fair enough. All right. I'm journaling right now, so it's like it's a really good idea. I
Yeah.
took a
Even when you
small win.
FOMO.
Right up.
Yeah. Even when you FOMO, like write that down. Like, I'm FOMOing because I'm seeing a higher low and I think it could go higher. But then you talk yourself out of it. Like, is like we joke about like the evil Kermit. And you like, my evil Kermit is telling me that I should go hop back in. But my trading plan actually says that I should stop after this one win. And I won today. And I feel good because I follow my trading plan. Right. And always try to like bring your rail yourself back like to reality.
Fair enough. Sorry, I'm just reading the comments. You guys are cracking me up.
I
Yeah,
know,
she's
they're
still watching me
hilarious.
around the corner, guys. Oh, you're good. Awesome. Well, thank you very much. Very helpful. I will definitely journal. And then when I start being profitable, like, thanks, Izzy.
You're welcome. Sometimes it is just some like it's just a small tweak in the process. Like once you find a strategy that works, like everything else will just fall into place.
Fair enough. No, I'm not on the couch. Man, this chat is unreal. I feel like nobody's safe here, huh?
Nobody's safe.
Shireen, come look at this. Somebody made a anime meme of you slapping the shit out of me. All right. Well, I'm gonna log off altogether before I do make another trade and walk away.
Yeah,
So,
have a
bro,
good night.
take your profits into New York. Tomorrow's a new day. Beginning of the week. No need to overtrade in Asia, bro. It's not worth it.
Right. All right, y'all. Thanks for the help.
All right, bro.
Later.
Izzy, how does it feel to be the reason that he will not be getting any coot tonight?
Bro, luckily I'm wearing a hoodie. Can you imagine if I was actually dolled up today?
Bro, she's gonna choke the shit out of him. You do understand that, right?
He's fine.
Why you ain't talk, coach? I mean, Izzy had the floor. Izzy was dropping straight gems.
He's not
He's
fine.
giggling way too much. He's a danger. Hey, bro. She peeked around that corner like, another one?
Oh man.
You can tell that boy got wrote before. YouTube. Let me see how much likes we got on this damn YouTube. Hold on, bro, because y'all finessed me last time, gang. I ain't gonna let y'all finesse me again. 180 people, 53 likes. I ain't gonna lie, get this to 100. Get this to 100 or Discord gets all the love. I'm firm on it now, because y'all finessed me, bro. Remember that? Izzy was like 40 likes in there.
Yeah, no, I'm not on the trade. I got out of break. Got taken out of break even. I moved my stops to break even.
Yeah, this shit kind of just moving sideways, goes up, comes down, goes up, and get maybe about 2-3 minutes in our direction.
I dead ass think this is just gonna go down, straight
Yeah,
down
me
at
too.
8 o'clock. There's no,
Take
and
my
you know
profits.
that was such a wild drop that I don't even think you're gonna be able to trade New York depending on some props because of the 2% rule.
YouTube, we need about 19 more likes. Yo, it's storming out of nowhere, bro. Loud ass thunder and shit.
It's actually nice as hell over here.
Yeah, Novo, bro, that shit just low-key scared the fuck out of me.
I mean, my bias was bearish for the week. I just didn't expect us to meet all my targets within the first 2 hours of the market open, you know? Not even 2 hours, the first 30 minutes, you know? Those were my weekly targets, but you know what? I'll just go fuck myself. It's fine.
Bro, you know that's for yeah, I already know. I remember I was in school one time and it was raining on one side of the school and sunny on the other side of the school. That's when I knew Florida's different, yo. Like it was raining on this side and this side was just sunshine.
It'd be like that.
Florida's different. Florida's different. Houston does that too.
Oh man.
YouTube, we need 10 more likes. Hold on, let me see if my eyes deceive me. Yeah, we need 10 more likes, YouTube. Y'all got
Yeah,
1 minute.
Let's bring somebody else. Oh no, not bring somebody else up. Never mind.
Yeah, we gotta start giving away some shit.
Yeah, let's give away some shit to Discord.
Right, I'm gonna wait till YouTube. I'm gonna give y'all some time to tighten up. I ain't.
What you thinking? What do you want to make them do?
I'm thinking. What you think they should do, Izzy? How you feeling?
I don't know.
Nice, YouTube 105. YouTube, I got something for y'all. I got something for y'all, YouTube. Don't even trip.
Chicken dance on screen. That is a good one.
Chicken dance? What the hell is the chicken dance? Oh, is that the?
Yeah.
Oh. He want to do it? Who can give me the illest chicken dance?
The illest chicken dance? I don't think those two words go together, bro.
What 2 words?
Illest chicken dance.
That don't go together?
Bro. Oh,
give me the number, Izzy.
5.
Oh, bro, that's why I fuck with you, bro. I don't even know his name. It says B. B, come on up, bro.
I figure we're always blessing the people that join last. Let's bless the people that join first. Is that how it works? I don't even know. Or is it random?
YouTube, I got something for y'all. I ain't forget.
Yo.
What's that word?
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm vibing, bro. How you doing?
Good. This is my first time actually in the Discord call with you guys because I just joined not too long ago.
You said what?
Do you know how to chicken dance?
Chicken dance? I mean, nah, I didn't do that thing since like elementary school. But yeah.
Oh, hold up. You don't have the MOT tag.
No, he does.
He does? Baby said it doesn't.
Oh, he doesn't.
So
hey, bro, I'm gonna give you about. Go ahead.
Do you see the people's name they are typing on the chat? Just click on the MOT tag next to their name and click adopt.
What? Okay, wait. Let me see.
I give you a minute to do that, bro. I gotta pootie tang you, gang.
So I go to what, community chat?
No, so you see the people actually typing on the chat?
Yeah.
You see how it says MOT and then like a check mark? Click on the MOT, anybody.
Okay.
And then adopt tag.
Oh, sick. Okay, cool. I think I got it. Yeah.
All right.
All right. Camera's on, brother.
I ain't got a camera.
You said what?
I ain't got a camera. Bro.
What are you on right now?
I just got a microphone and a screen. That's what I got.
You're on a computer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I feel you, bro.
Yeah, but that was cool.
I
You
ain't gonna lie, bro.
invited
You
me.
gotta get. Are you able to jump in on your phone? I'm trying to give you something, bro. But I gotta see. We gotta have them cameras on.
Oh my God.
I'm trying to bless your game, homie.
Okay, hold on. Wait, let me see. I'm trying. I'll find something. Coming. Oh, okay. I think I found something. How do you do this?
I'm gonna let you get that figured out, bro. We're gonna get somebody else up there, all right?
Oh, I got it.
Oh, he just did.
Oh, okay.
Damn,
Well,
on last second.
Oh, I got it.
literally the last second. Literally the last second.
Bro, I was digging through
My
my whole
dog-
back room.
My dog looks unimpressed.
Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. My bad. Yeah, I had to dig through my whole closet just to find this camera thing. This thing right here. Oh my God.
Where you from, gang?
From Hawaii.
You from Hawaii?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
What's some Hawaii lingo?
Oh my god, can you
Mm.
do a Hawaiian dance?
No, I can teach you some lingo though. So some lingo is poto.
You say is what?
Poto.
Porto?
No, boto, like BOTO.
What does that mean?
You know Max Holloway?
Max Holloway?
Yeah, the fighter, the UFC fighter.
I've been out the loop with UFC, Brody.
Nah, but boto is just like, how do you say it in English? I forget how to say it. It's like chicken, but the other way. Oh, what island?
Shit,
I'm
say
on-
less, Brody.
I'm on Big Island. Yeah, what Teddy Guapster said.
Well, congratulations, bro. You won a P2P indicator. Go ahead and open up a support ticket. The mods will take
Yes.
care of it. You were saying something? Izzy?
See, he didn't even do the dance.
What dance?
It was supposed to be a chicken dance.
How do you do a chicken dance? Can you show me?
I don't think they do the chicken dance in Hawaii. I think that's.
That's why I said, can you do a Hawaiian dance instead?
Oh yeah, bro. You gotta hit the little.
You gotta do the hula hoop. Yep.
Oh fuck! I'll give you like 4 moves.
All right, bet.
So
You said give him.
you got this.
You said what?
Say, "Umaikako, aloha, 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 aloha," and then that's it. I'll show you that, and that's about it.
That's that dance The Rock was doing in that one movie.
I don't want to do too much. I don't want to do too much.
Say less, bro.
Yeah,
Go ahead and
everything.
open up a support ticket, and the mods will take care of it. All right. You got a
Thanks,
free
bro.
P2P indicator for a week. All right.
Appreciate it.
You already know it. We'll talk soon.
See you.
Y'all already know it. YouTube. I'm on y'all last. YouTube. I need everybody to spam. I need everybody to spam MOT. Go ahead.
You can't get
1 minute on the clock.
it.
No, I don't even know why you wreck your brain anymore, brother. You know we fried in here.
Bro, I'm not getting out of this stream without a chicken dance.
You said you're not getting out of stream without the chicken dance.
Yeah. Somebody's doing the chicken dance.
Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah. I invited him on stage because he said something about doing the chicken dance. Unless he was trolling. Ah, fuck, my AirPod.
I did not say that.
What did you say about the chicken dance? I saw you said something about the chicken dance.
Yeah, hold up. How we flip it?
All right, YouTube. 1 minute is done.
What's the word, man? I'm looking crazy.
Lulu HT7ZO. Lulu HT7ZO. Congratulations, Lulu. Come to the Discord, open up a support ticket. The mods will take care of you. We got a 50K TPT coming your way.
So we doing the chicken dance or not?
I mean, I ain't gonna I gotta stand up and do it. I can't. Come on. What's I got every indicator for a week already, so I mean, that's what it's for.
You're wasting my time. I ain't got time.
Damn, Izzy, I didn't know you had a belt like that. You had a belt on you this whole time? Jeez. Jeez.
Well,
Yo, give me 1 second. I got my son in my lap. I
he
did not
can do it
expect you to
with
pull me
you.
up here.
Perfect.
Let me switch to my phone. Hold on.
Y'all do know this for the love of the game, right?
So am I supposed to be doing some type of chicken dance?
You don't know how to do the chicken dance?
No, I do. I just didn't know if that's why you brought me up. I wasn't looking at
Yes,
chat.
it was.
Okay.
They told you to do.
Voluntold.
They voluntold you. Izzy making up her own fucking words now.
Hold on, my wife would kill
No,
me.
the military says that. You guys don't say that?
Kill me if I did this shit shirtless. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, we don't need nobody else getting roped, bro. Izzy's on the roll today, bro. She out there roping
I'm
people.
on a
bro.
roll.
Please don't put belt to my ass. I'm
What?
putting on a shirt.
You want Saratoga water, baby? You only drink the finest water.
All right, chicken dance. Does that work? Did I humiliate myself enough? Awesome.
Hey.
Hi, baby.
Say what's up. Say what's up. You be talking.
You want to see the puppy?
You want to see
Look at
puppy?
the puppy.
You see the? Is that a corgi?
Yes, it is.
Those motherfuckers be so chalky. Oh damn, he about to hang up. Oh shit. Yeah.
He said, on you.
I'm not doing that.
Bobby, what does that mean, bro?
But if you need me to, I will.
Izzy said she just want to see somebody hit the motherfucking chicken dance one
No,
time.
give him we're giving him an indicator for a week.
You gotta stretch a little bit when you do it, you know, just a little bit of.
Wait, I thought that. Wait a minute, bro. See, this is why, bro.
My son.
Every time I think I'm learning Spanish,
This nigga just tripped me.
I'm 1 step forward, 3 steps back, bro.
But anyways, yes, sir.
You can open a support ticket and just claim your PTP indicator for a week.
You know what? Also, I don't know if y'all still doing TAs, but a nigga lost like 12 bands last week. I don't know if y'all saw that.
Oh, nah, brother. We're not. The show's pretty much done, brother. We can't do another TV.
No, you're good. I was just throwing that in. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tune back tomorrow and remind us. We can do a TA tomorrow.
Bro, Javi, every time I think I'm 1 step forward in learning Spanish, y'all hit me with a. Bro, I need to talk to somebody. Listen, that completes another MOT happy hour, the first one of the week. Guys, if you guys made profits, congratulations. Take your profits into New York. No sense of over trading on Asia. We have a whole New York session. We have a brand new week coming up. So you guys take your profits into New York. If you guys didn't make any money, money missed is not money lost. Don't worry about it. No need to go on tilt with this, especially with this shitty ass PA. Coming to New York with a new mindset. If you guys took any losses, chin up, chest out, it ain't nothing. That's all a part of the game. Come back tomorrow with a new mindset. If you blew your accounts, make sure you guys are using one of our partners. Use code BDM. If you're using TPT, use code P2P or BDM. All right. If you guys are going to buy a new account anyways, you might as well support the bros and get yourself a hell of a discount. All right. Make sure you guys tip the staff. Make sure you guys tip the staff. They've been holding it down in here. It's very much appreciated. They've been holding it down in here for a very long time. If you guys need your education, make sure that you guys lock in with one of our courses. We have the Mastermind course. We have Izzy's High and Low Model. We have the P2P course. We have Logan's Battalion. Whatever your style of trading is, we have a course for it. If you guys need some coaching, lock in with a mentor. You can lock in with me. You can lock in with Hobby. You can lock in with Izzy. You can lock in with Logan. You can lock in with Jake. Whatever your style of trading, we have all different types of flavors of trading in here. Find your style. Find the mentor you like. Lock in on your education because you're not gonna be able to do it by yourself. All right. Make sure you guys check out the Max Options Trading website, the brand new website. It has literally everything that you need in there for you. All of the questions that you're gonna ask about the prop firms, comparing the prop firms, finding a coach, finding a course. Anything that you need is all on that website. Make sure you guys check it out because you guys will be saving yourself a whole bunch of time because everything is literally set right there in front of you. If you guys haven't checked it out, the website is insane. Literally has everything that you guys need. So, yeah. Izzy, you got something you want to tell them?
Don't do anything stupid. I don't know. Coach covered most of it. Fuck it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey, study group. I'm going to catch y'all in the morning. Pre-market, I'm going to catch y'all in the morning. The rest of y'all, I'm going to see y'all in the comment section. Habiba, drop that hot shit, man.
She said take a left from Rodeo. Only with the bros see the rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left from Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the P2P's go. The OGs go there. I just found my people. I just found my people. Yeah. The Underground Railroad. Underground Railroad. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, catching all these Porsches with the play, roll up on the black, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place. Oh yeah, yeah. I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G's. Yeah, and we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the P2P's go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the P2P's go.